These are the test hinges that I made using a very thin plastic that has been roughed up with a 60 course sandpaper. I've tried with a 40-pound monofilament line. I even tried with a 6-pound. 6-pound was just too thin, and I really couldn't get it to stick well. And even though I used a very thin pin to make the hole, nevertheless, the CA didn't keep it on and would just pop right out. However, the 40-pound was actually very good, and I created a trailing edge and a leading edge. I even rounded it out a little bit, created a control horn, and I actually attached it to a servo that I had and ran it, and the servo was able to pull it. However, I noticed that with the fishing line, 40-pound fishing line, it is very, 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 very tight. Very tight. And it goes right back. However, with the thin plastic, I have much more play with it. And I'm thinking that with a small inline servo as the one I'm using, I probably want to go with something with less friction and with a lot more give. Otherwise, eventually what's going to happen is the servo is probably going to fail. So I think I'm going to go with the plastic, which is going to be coursed, and using Glenn's suggestion, I've really made it really abrasive, and the CA held up pretty well. So I think I'm going to go with this option right here with regard to the hinges.